Ground fault circuit interrupters, or GFCIs, are specialized electrical devices designed to protect people from electrical shock. Both 15 amp and 20 amp receptacles are available in GFCI versions, making them suitable for a range of industrial and residential applications. A GFCI works by constantly monitoring a flow of electricity through a circuit. If it detects even a very small ground fault, a condition where electrical current is leaking to ground through an unintended path, such as a person or water, the GFCI quickly shuts off power to the circuit. This fast action helps prevent serious injury or death from electric shock. Any current flow above a safe level is considered a ground fault and triggers the GFCI to trip. GFCIs provide enhanced protection compared to standard outlets or isolated ground outlets. Electrical codes require GFCI protection in locations where moisture is common or where equipment is exposed to water. These locations include bathrooms, garages, unfinished basements, crawl spaces, kitchen countertops, outdoor areas, and within 6 feet of wet bar sinks. The goal is to reduce the risk of electric shock in areas where a person could accidentally become part of an electrical path to ground. The most common type of GFCI device is a GFCI outlet receptacle, which resembles a standard duplex outlet but has 2 buttons in the center, a test button and a reset button. The test button is used to, test the thing. Pressing it simulates a ground fault and should cause the outlet to trip, cutting power. The reset button restores power after the outlet trips, whether due to testing or an actual fault. Because GFCIs can wear out over time, they should be tested regularly, at least once a month, to ensure continued protection. GFCI outlets can be wired in 2 ways, depending on the level of protection desired. In the first method, the GFCI protects only itself. The white neutral wire connects to the silver screw labeled line. As you can see on the back, it's labeled line here on the bottom. While the black or red hot wire connects to the brass screw, also labeled line. In this setup, only the GFCI itself is protected. The second wiring option allows the GFCI to protect additional outlets further downstream on the same circuit. Incoming power wires from the panel connect to the line terminals, while the other wires supplying downstream outlets connect to the screws labeled load on the top. The white wire to the silver load screw, the black wire to the brass load screw. In this configuration, all downstream outlets are protected by the GFCI. While both circuit breakers and GFCIs play important roles in electrical safety, they serve distinct purposes. A circuit breaker is designed primarily to protect the wiring and devices in a circuit from damage caused by excessive current, such as during an overload or short circuit. Remember, an overload occurs when too many devices are operating on the same circuit, drawing more current than the wiring is rated to handle. A short circuit occurs when a hot wire directly contacts a neutral or ground wire, creating a sudden surge of current. In either case, the breaker trips to cut off the power and prevent overheating, fires, or equipment damage. A GFCI, on the other hand, is designed specifically to protect people from electrical shock caused by ground faults. A GFCI monitors the flow of electricity, leaving the hot wire and returning on the neutral wire. If there is even a slight imbalance, indicating current is leaking to ground through a person or other unintended path, the GFCI trips almost instantly to prevent injury. Importantly, a GFCI can detect and react to leakage currents far too small to trip a standard circuit breaker. In addition to GFCI receptacles, GFCI circuit breakers are also available. These breakers are installed directly in the electrical panel and provide whole circuit GFCI protection. Any outlet, fixture, or device connected to that circuit is protected from ground faults. GFCI breakers combine the overload and short circuit protection of a standard breaker with the ground fault protection of a GFCI. This is a useful option with multiple outlets or devices on a single circuit needing GFCI protection, especially in garages, basements, and outdoor circuits. So in summary, circuit breakers protect the wiring and equipment from overloads and short circuits, while GFCIs protect people from electric shock caused by ground faults. Both devices are essential for electrical safety, but they work in a very different way to achieve that safety. Technicians should also be aware that GFCI protection can be provided either at the outlet level with the GFCI receptacle or at the panel level with GFCI breakers. Understanding the roles and differences between these protective devices is critical for industrial maintenance technicians who install, troubleshoot, and maintain electrical systems in both industrial and commercial environments.